Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a minute, but as you guys know, I just had a baby about a month ago. So I've been doing my new mom jazz, and now that I'm in a routine, I kind of have time here and there to sit down and do stuff that I enjoy. So YouTube is something that I like to do. So here I am. I do have footage of my pregnancy, how my pregnancy went. I don't know, I gotta look at it. It's literally like 2 months old at this point, so I gotta look at the footage. I might just re-record it and tell you guys how my pregnancy went. But I am going to be doing a postpartum video because let me tell you, all those books and all that jazz I read does not really explain to you what being a new mom is like. I have to do a whole video basically on my postpartum experience so far, because I'm not saying it's bad, but I'm definitely saying that I wasn't as prepared as I thought I was, but that'll be a whole nother video. This video is about some hair. And if you're curious about the hair that I'm wearing on my head, this is actually a synthetic unit. I have since sold all my wigs because I ain't got time to really make them. I'm getting back into making them now because I have all this hair, you know, in storage, and I kind of need to get rid of it. So I was just like, let me make some wigs and try to sell them on my Poshmark. Go check that out. Link will be down below in the description box. So I did purchase 2 synthetic wigs to hold me over. I am currently a blonde underneath here. I have a TWA going on, a blonde TWA, but I have to get it relightened because it's been it's been about 2.5 months since I've gotten my hair done, and it looks a little crazy. If I decide to put up my pregnancy video, you'll see how bad my hair was looking then, and just imagine it like grown out about 1.5 inches. So yeah, that's why I'm rocking wigs. And for a synthetic wig, this is super cute. But since I am a blonde now, I'm trying to make my forever wig when I do decide to go back to work, which, I mean, that's not really a decision. I have to go back eventually. But I'm decided to take 3 months off to spend with Adelaide, make sure that she's got everything she needs. And really it's for me because I don't want to leave her yet. So I'm investing in some blonde hair. So when I do go back to work, I'll be looking snatched, you know. I don't want to go back looking frumpy. So let's get into this hair. So as you guys know, I get all my hair pretty much from AliExpress, and most AliExpress vendors ship their hair from DHL. Oh, I forgot to tell you where this is from. This is from ASTERIA Hair on AliExpress. All the links will be down below in the description box. So this is my first time ordering from this company. I ordered from them because I was doing some price checking. When I order my hair, I like to, you know, get the lowest price. But I also discovered this vendor from someone on YouTube. I don't remember. I think it might have been Ivy from Ivy League Styles. I will leave her YouTube channel down below. She's really awesome. She does hair like professionally, and then like she makes wigs for herself, and they are bomb. She like cuts them and styles them and colors them. They're like, she's goals for me. Anyway, so I think it was her that was talking about ASTERIA Hair, so I decided to check them out. And I got 3 bundles and a 10-inch frontal. So 10-inch frontal, and then all of the bundles are 10 inches. And obviously I'm doing super short lengths because now that I'm a new mom, I ain't got the kind of time to be, you know, rocking some long hair. I'm not going anywhere. So I want to make it as low maintenance as possible, but I want it to be cute. So I am going to get this professionally cut. I'm going to do some sort of like edgy cut. I'm not sure yet, but something that I can't do at home. I'm going to make the wig and then go get it professionally cut. So this is the hair straight out of the package. It does not come with a hairnet, which I don't like because I like the hairnets, number 1, because I keep them, and then number 2, it kind of keeps the hair from tangling on itself. But I guess since this is straight hair, it doesn't really matter. So as you can see, this is all blonde from the root to the tip. It's a 613 blonde. The knots are obviously bleached. That would be weird if they had black knots and blonde hair. Usually I do get dark roots, but Tiara Monet here on YouTube, once again, I will leave her YouTube channel down below. love her. Once again, she's a professional. Ooh, she's a professional hairdresser, and she also owns the Crown Collection, which is a hair extension company. But she's been rocking some blonde hair, and I loved how she got hers done. So, well, how she did hers. So I'm going to link the video down below to my inspiration for the new hairstyle that I'm going to be rocking, because she literally does step-by-step, or shows people step-by-step on how to achieve the hair color that she rocks on a daily basis and stuff like that. I really appreciate that. So let's get into the hair. The hair is very full from root to, well, it's not very full, but it's full from root to tip. There's no tapering at the ends. It does not have a smell. It just smells like hair. The hairline is pre-plucked, but as you can see, there are a lot of flyaways, which means this hair has been breaking. So I'm probably going to make sure I do a deep condition before I try to put any color on this. 10 inches, like I said, and as you guys know, I'm pretty fair-skinned. I am a woman of color, but I am super fair-skinned. So when I was talking with this company, they do offer medium and light brown lace. Of course, I went for the light brown, and looking at it, it looks like it's gonna work. So I'm super excited about that. So this is almost, actually, this actually might be transparent. Let me double check. Yeah, all their lace for their blonde hair is transparent, so that was my fault. This is not light brown, this is transparent lace. So that's really good. However, for all their other virgin hair that hasn't been bleached, their lace is medium brown and light brown, so you can choose between those two. But this one is transparent, which is super awesome. So I'm only going to open one bundle of hair because they're all 10 inches, and I'm pretty sure they're all the same, so this is the bundle, 10 inches. It comes with their little tag that tells you exactly what you ordered. And the brand obviously is ASTERIA Hair, 100% human hair. It says the color is natural black, but obviously it's been bleached. This is not a natural black color. The bundles are very hefty, which they should be since this is such a short length. Remember, the shorter the length, the bigger the bundles. Usually on AliExpress, that's what you can expect. All right, let's check the breakage, because if there's breakage on the frontal, I'm 100% sure there's going to be breakage on the bundle. So let's just check the flyaways. Yeah. There are quite a few flyaways. So that does mean that this hair has been breaking. However, it is very soft to the touch. And it is full from the weft to the tips. They're not tapered at all. And it does look a bit like they have been cut. So I do actually like that. Sometimes when you get hair that has been processed, when you get it, it'll be like kind of ratty at the ends and very thin. I like that they actually cut the hair to make it unique, or not unique, uniform from weft to tip. So I definitely appreciate that. Once again, no smell. And I can't really say anything else about this hair because I haven't done anything with it yet, but straight out of the package, it seems pretty cool. But I will definitely be giving you an update after I make my wig, get it styled, all that jazz, let you know how the hair has been holding up, because sometimes when you get hair and it feels all soft and nice and then you put it under some water with some shampoo and conditioner, it's a whole nother story. So I will definitely be updating you in a future video. All right, so let's talk about price. So the price I paid for a 10-inch frontal and 3 bundles of 10-inch 613 hair was $119.01, and once again, this is from ASTERIA Hair. I will leave all of the links down below to their AliExpress store and a direct link to the hair, just in case you want to check it out. Thank you guys for watching this video, and to all the people that are still subscribed to my channel, thank you very much for sticking around. I will say don't expect a whole bunch of content, but the stuff that I do put up, hopefully you will want to watch. Like I said, I'm going to be filming a postpartum video. I will be doing some makeup. I haven't I don't have any new makeup, if you want me to be honest, but I will be showing you my mom routine because obviously I don't have no time to be putting on makeup every time I go out. Like right now I'm barefaced, so I'll be doing a skincare video, I'll be doing my mom makeup video, and of course hair videos because I do have a bunch of wigs and a bunch of hair that I want to show you guys. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down below in the description box. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!